Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube. This is Tina. Today I'm going to do a review for this Air Jordan 1 Dark Mocha. The sneakers now I have took them out of the box. Let's check the details together. So this is the lateral side of the shoes here. The whole upper is made with the leather materials. Yeah, let's check from this toe cap piece here. You can see this is the black leathers, and stitching is really clean and neat, right? And check the cuttings of this edge. See? Okay. So this is the lateral side of the shoes here. The white leathers. You can see the textures of it. Okay, now let's move to the back counter to check the details. Yeah, this is the back counter part here. Here designs with the black swoosh logos. Yeah, the material is same as the toe cap piece. See? Okay. And this back counter part here. On the top of this piece, here designs with wing logos with Air Jordan words on it. So you can see the details of it, this part. Yeah, embossed. It's a little bit glossy for these logos. Okay, now let's move to the back counter. See, yeah, this is the shape of this back counter. It's really beautiful here, right? See. Yeah, this on top of this back counter here designs with the white leathers, which is same as this leather materials on the medial side and lateral side here. See, okay, so this is the medial side here. You can check the finishes of the leather materials on this part, right? Okay. See the designs on the lateral side, a medial side here, and finishes of these leather materials. See. And now let's check the toe cap piece. Here the perforations on this part. Check the designs here. Okay, now let's move to top of the tongue here. Yeah, the materials on the tongue. And here got woven labels with Nike and Air words. This part. See. Okay, now let's check the inside of this, the tongue designs here. Check. And check the sock lining printed with Nike and Air words on the sock. You can also check the tag inside of these shoes here. See this part. Okay, and for these shoes, it also attached with another extra shoelaces here. See, okay. Here it designs with another shoelaces. The color is matched to the thumb and these leather materials here. Okay, now let's check another piece together. So this is the lateral side of these shoes here. The design of wing logos. And the back counter. The shape of it. and this the medial side. The top view of the shoes, and this the also template. This is the normal also template in black colors, right? The design is same as other Air Jordan 1. Okay, so these are the total review for this Air Jordan 1 Dark Mocha. If you want to get more details about it, just contact with us. Okay, see you next video. Bye.